In this media, you will learn how to repair the moving iron type ammeter. First, dismantle the parts from the moving iron type ammeter. After dismantling, identify the following parts: fixed pin, moving pin, pointer, control spring and field coil. You assume that the ammeter has following defects such as inactive or showing inappropriate reading. If the meter does not show any deflections when the supply is given to the ammeter, this problem is called as inactive problem. If the ammeter shows incorrect reading, the problem is called as inappropriate reading. You will see how to repair the ammeter if the ammeter is inactive. Check whether the pointer is bent or not. In case if the pointer is bent, make it straight using a pincer. Check the continuity of the coil. In case if the coil is short-circuited or open, replace with a new one. Then assemble the parts of the ammeter. By using the above methods, the inactive problem can be solved.